What your truck? This is?
Right here. Yep. First one.
If I can get space between this, I can definitely. But it seems like I ain't gonna get no space. So let me get my pick tool first and try to pick it.
Yeah, my friend has one of those airbags. And,
Yeah.
he was trying to do it on here, but like the hard top was getting in the way. It was like keeping it vertical.
Yes.
Or like you know. Oh, this car doesn't have a remote. I've used.
Okay.
That's all I use is the key. There's no electric. This is
Okay.
no electric locks.
All right.
It turns.
I got it.
Oh,
Huh?
I
It turns that way?
Yeah, it turns
You sure?
that way, yeah.
So I picked it the wrong way. Okay.
Yeah. It's all good.
Alright.
Being difficult.
That's how I guess sometimes. See, I gotta play with it a little bit.
You probably don't have to use that much. You always use the airbag, don't you?
Well, most of the cars, some of them we use this as well. So this is very effective, like a key.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like you got the key. You just want to find the right pins, push them out the way.
That might be honestly better because that lock is hard to push to unlock it.
The lock. Okay, the one that's inside.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is probably the best way to.
This pump might be messing up.
Alright, let me get this out. This wasn't gonna do the job. So it's open now.
Go. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Alright, let me grab this. Put these back in the truck. And you're good now. Once it's open, huh?